baby! Welcome to Chef Bourque's Cajun Kitchen. Hot dang! Hey, look here. Today, I'm going to be making a crock-pot crawfish jambalaya. My whit. Let me tell you what, it's going to be awesome, 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 child. It's going to be good. Hey, here's the crock pot right here I'll be using. It's going to be taking me about 5 hours. 5 hours to make this. I've got things to do today. I don't have time to babysit it, so I say I'm going to use my crock pot. But there's always something new about using a crock pot. Here's the deal. If you're cooking crawfish like I'm doing, when I put all my ingredients in here, you don't want to add your, and these are still frozen, you don't want to add your crawfish tails in right away. What I do, I cook in my crock pot for 4 hours. When I get back from where I'm going, I'll usually go ahead, check my gravy level, make sure it's good. Then I'll go ahead and add my rice along with my crawfish at that time. Right here, and I'll be telling you in a minute how to do this. And I'll be adding my green onions at that time also. So those are things that come later. But to begin, we're going to go ahead and get the crock pot rolling, Shay. Like I said, I've got to take off. I need 4 hours, and that's what I'm going to put, 4 hours on high. When I get back, then I'm going to add my other ingredients. Let it go for an hour and shut it down and enjoy the heck out of my crawfish jambalaya, Shay. Anyway, I'm going to move the camera, baby. Let's get the show on the road. Hot dang. Well, this fun, yeah. All right. First thing I'm going to do, follow along with me, Shay. I've got 2 cans of whole kernel corn. I've got the yellow I'm putting in right now. Get in there, boy. Then I've got the white putting in right now. Now that's how I make my jambalaya. Let me tell you what, once you make your jambalaya like this, you can't go wrong, Chad. You're going to want some more. Always going to want some more. Onions, 1 cup of onions. One cup of chopped tomatoes. I've got 2 stalks of celery, chopped. One half of a small bell pepper, chopped. Six sprigs of parsley, chopped, fresh parsley, right out my garden. One bay leaf, right off my little bush. What else we got now that I'm going to put in right now? 1/2 teaspoon of Tony Chassery Creole seasoning. Oh yeah, yeah. 1/2 teaspoon of salt. 1 teaspoon chili powder. 1/4 teaspoon of thyme. Got plenty of thyme. All right. 1/2 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Ooh, look at that baby go. Well, it's starting to look good, huh? 1/2 teaspoon of tomato bouillon. Oh yeah. Paprika, 1 tablespoon. Like old John, no airtime John used to say, that's for essence. Celery seeds, 1/4 teaspoon. Garlic powder, 1 teaspoon. Boy, this going to be good, yes, yeah. All right, now, with that, I'm going to add a 1/2 a block of butter. 1/2 block of butter. And I'm going to put that on the side, you know, you want to put that so it kind of start melting right away. Because this is a crock pot. Now, 1 1/2 cups of chicken broth. Looking good, eh? And I need all that liquid that's in there for my rice when it's time. Now we're going to cover this rascal up. Tell you what I'm going to do. Let me stir this up just a little bit so that I can start getting that smell right away. It'll all work out if I wouldn't have did this, but I like to get that smell right away. You know, whenever you're at the office, at home, trying to take care of business, it's always good to have this going on. All right. It's perfect. Okay. Now I'm going to cover her up, Shay. Plug her in and let her go. I'm going to see y'all in 4 hours. It's 9, 10, 11, 12, 1. At 1:20. It'll be time to put the crawfish in and I'll be back by that time. Anyway, talk to y'all later. Right, it's been 4 hours. Now I'm going to add my crawfish. It's 1 pound of clean tails. Y'all don't mind my birds now, because my birds they just love crawfish. Y'all ain't getting none, yeah? All right, now I'm going to add a 1.5 cups of parboiled rice. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Then, green onions. 6 sprigs of green onions. Tell you what, this looks so awesome. This is going to be one heck of a jambalaya. Man. The spices are perfect. All right, going to cover her up. Let her go for 1 hour. Talk to y'all later, Shaq. All right. She finally done, baby. All right. Look at here. This is a jambalaya, Shaq. Crawfish jambalaya, Chef Bourque style. I tell you what, you talk about good. Look, I'm getting ready to test it. And the crawfish are firm. Firm, firm, firm. Terrific. Terrific. That's why you don't put them in at the beginning. At the beginning, they'll turn powdery. When I say powdery, I mean mushy. But let me tell you what. This is perfect. Oh, baby. Hot dang. Let me grab me a little something to get the sweat out my eyes, and we're going to test it. All right. Dang, that's good. Hey, look. You talk about good, chef. And I love my jambalaya. Chef Bourque style. Huh? Huh? Mm. Oh man, this is great. Now what we just made will feed quite a few people now. Ooh, baby. Spiced up just right. Hey, look. I'm going to talk to y'all later. Have a great week. Take it easy, baby. Oh, yeah, baby. Hot dang. Oh, well, it's been a day. Good night, y'all.